welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Lovelyn Filipina in the Philippines, and for today's video guys, we're getting ready to go to the church. So my daughter is already dressed.
So beautiful.
We're going to the church.
Yeah, to the church. And after the dagat, I got the money and the church. Yay!
So right now guys, I'm going to tie her hair. I'm going to do some ponytail. I'm going to do some ponytail on her, of her hair, guys. So this is her attire. Stand up lang. Stand up. So this is her attire. So that's her attire, guys. And then I'm going to tie her hair. So this is the what do you call that one? The comb, and then the. So I'm going to tie her hair. So this is her attire. Ready. So I'm going to put some little oil guys on her hair. And then I'm going to tie her hair guys. We're getting ready to go to the church. Going to get ready to go
Now
to
we
the
see
church.
the star, Mama.
Hmm?
No, nice star. Hey! Mo naman magsigas ako.
May so this mo?
Yeah, may sumagas. Alam, may
So I'm going to tie her hair just like this lang only guys. Then I'm going to change my clothes and then we're going na.
No, we're going to the church.
We're going to the church.
Yay!
We're going
Let's
to
go
the
to the
church,
church. And
guys.
now, and that cat, and it's still, and the cat, and that cat. Hey, I put that in church. No,
We're going
I
to
put
the
that
church again. We're going to the sea.
and I put that sea, and then dagat. Hey, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Sana naman ito.
So, my patos is so cool. You know, it's my part is my mama. And now I want to exercise. I want to play. And myself, my homework.
This is one guys. She's so talkative guys.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
I'm my papa.
She's so talkative guys.
Yeah. Yeah. And I want you to see the church. And now my patos is so cool.
Her sapatos is so cool.
Yeah.
Guys, her shoes guys is so cool. She said that her shoes is so cool.
Yeah. Look. I'm so happy. I don't know. I want to cut my hands. The one. Oh, I see my book is red. My mama is so can do my
What
red.
color?
Is red.
Red, very good.
Red. Red is color is my bugong in
Yes, it's
my
so
hair.
red. Cool.
Yeah, it's my hair, my bugong. My hair, my bugong inside the this is me. Other one, Mama.
Give it to me. Give it to Mama.
Oh, yes.
Where's the other one? Give it to me also. The other one. So she's done, guys.
Kadakan. Oy. Kadakan ni.
Daghan.
Kadakan.
I'm just doing her
Yeah.
hair like this, guys.
I like it.
You like it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, guys. So she's done, guys. That's her look, guys. That's her attire, guys. Going to the church. Uy, down your kuan feet, the other feet. Okay. Yay! She's so cute on her dress. Oh, guys, I'm going to change also some clothes.
Okay,
Then we're
Mama.
going.
Nice ka lipstick, Mama, no?
Di mo na lipstick anak ko sa filter. Guys, ready na me. We're going na to the church. Okay, let's go na, P. Mama will going to change clothes na. Wait,
Okay,
ikaw,
bye
Mama.
bye.
So guys, we're going now to the church. So this is our outfit, my outfit and my daughter's outfit. So yeah, going to the church now, guys. Attending the mass, guys. Done attending the mass, guys. So right now I'm going to buy some this one, guys, powder for her, guys, and wipes as well. This is her lollipop, guys. She didn't finish it. And diaper. Wait, so. Oh, lagi. We're done attending the mass, guys. We're also going to get some alcohol, guys. Alcohol. And also her cologne, small cologne. So hi guys. So we're home now after the church, and this is what I bought, guys. To her, I bought some. I bought some arenola, or we called it here some training, potty train, something like that. I bought her that because she will just going to wear diaper when we're going out or at night, but not like we're here, like, just like now she's not wearing diaper. And then I bought also her like this for school. This one, she's going to write here because she will gonna be in draw tomorrow. So also this one, it's pencils. Yes. It's 12 pieces pencils and color pencils. Color pencils. And I got her also some bubbles. And a bag for her pencils and color pencils. This one. I also got her crayons because she really loves to draw crayons. She really loves to draw, and one notebook. I just show them. Borrow, Mama.
Oh, right. Here's that, and I want to pick
Okay.
Okay, the minute you want to play, which one want to color?
And I also buy some
Red,
rugs.
Mama, red.
Rugs, because it's always raining here, guys. Right? And yes, that's it, guys, for today's video. So
Mama.
just one only, anak. Oy. Here lang, right here only, here. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to my channel, everybody. Bye-bye. You say bye-bye. Bye.
Look, my God.